Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So market mostly has completed the target of this week. Our trade is completed, so market has hit the intraday XOP target. And if you remember, we talked about the importance of this level. So when the market stands around 112.10 area, so this will be crucial area for short-term sentiment. As I said, if market will able to hold above this area, it will keep the trading range somewhere between 112 114. So somehow it could still fluctuate in this area to this top. Maybe it will be possible to form a kind of the A, B, C bottom, at least COP target. So minor pullback here could happen. But anyway, standing above this area, above the monthly pivot support one, provides market ability to hold in this range, stay here for some time. But breaking of this area down will mean challenging of these lows and turning and moving in another trading range, that is 108, 112. So this is different trading range will be, and it will be quite another story, guys, on the monthly chart, on the weekly, because on the monthly chart with this whole price action where market spends mostly the 2 years, it has spent in a relatively tight range. So recall that on the monthly chart, this is the flag consolidation, and we talked about it. So because week by week there is no impact on the monthly chart, but breaking of the 112, 111 area will open the new part in on the monthly chart as well, and that could be really significant. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see we are standard target. XOP has been hit. Market stands very close to the deep 88 support, and as we said, that is a kind of the gutless bat, harmonic bat pattern. Actually, it works in the same manner as gutless triple to buy. So theoretically, the response should be somewhere 30% pullback here, maybe, or something of that sort. So if you have the shorts, as I said, when the market will hit the XOP, it makes sense to think about taking some profit, maybe not totally, not from all position, but at least some part of the profit could be taken, and you could tight stop closer on the other part of your position. For example, somewhere above this stop, if you have taken position here, or if you're getting short here, maybe you could move stops to the break even or even above these stops. So this is also possible. Still, guys, by taking a look at this overall process that I see, take a look at every candle to the downside, almost every candle, especially the large candles, you can see shows tail closing here, here again, this tail closing here, and yesterday it was also tail closing. Reaction is very small. This reaction was due major 618 support. It's a bit greater. That reaction was on a confidence support here, if you remember. And that was the first warning sign, as we said. Take a look. This market shows deep retracement, erasing this rally. This is bad news, and that has led to collapse. But at any other weaker point, retracement 2 times smaller, here and here. So here market was not able even to show the harmonic swing yet. What I would like to say is that, guys, personally, I'm not very fascinating with the taking long position here. So yes, if you have taken short, long right from the XOP target, now you have some minor profit. But be very careful with this position. Move stops to the break even as soon as possible. Because take a look at the reaction, guys. On the hourly chart, actually, you do not have any meaningful reaction. It's very choppy and sloppy, kind of this action, so it's very weak and heavy. So that it's not reaction. The market intends to show some real moderate retracement. This is very weak reaction, and it mostly stands in favor of downward continuation. At least currently, it's not sufficient context for taking the long position. Actually, we could say that this mostly no reaction at all, so that's not the reaction actually, guys. Here is a kind of the reaction, because you can see here at least kind of the hand shoulders pattern has been formed, the market has completed OP target, even slightly has exceeded it. So that's at least some reaction. But here I do not see actually no patterns, something that we could use for taking the long position, no activity of the market. So for taking the long, you need here some more extended pattern. I don't know, maybe kind of the hand shoulders should be formed, so some clear pattern should be formed that could indicate at least kind of the ABCD pullback here. Currently would not see anything. So that's why I think that it is better to wait for clear bullish patterns to be formed before taking any long position. This is the same reason why I think that the bears that have the shorts position still could keep at least some part of position, because the chances that the market just will show the breakout here to the downside are not really small. So this really could happen. So this is our current view on the euro currency. I don't know whether we will get clarity with this level today, so where market will break it down or not. But this is probably the question of the 1, 2, maybe 3 sessions that we should get clarity. Maybe on Friday this will not happen. We will see. But somewhere in the beginning of the next week, probably that should happen. So at least either market should break it or starting fluctuation back in this range. Depending on this moment, we will prepare the corresponding trading plan for the euro.